Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I will be doing an unboxing of a purchase that I did make online, the Pandora ME treated freshwater cultured pearl bracelet, size 7.9, and as well a pave double link in silver. So let's get into it. All right, so I did cut the tape ahead of time. So let's see what's in here. This is so exciting. Oh, okay. Let me just take a deep breath. Okay, I'm ready. All right. Okay, well, that is very well packaged. This ain't going nowhere. It's not like Pandora, where you shake the box and you hear a whole bunch of ding, 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 ding. So this is fantastic. Thank you to the seller. This is great packaging. This is awesome. So let's just get rid of the box. All right, so let's unwrap this. And thank you to the seller for not using a bunch of packing tape in the bubble wrap, because that can be nerve-wracking and annoying. And then you can't reuse the packaging materials. So that is awesome. Now I don't really want to open it because it's too cute. So I am excited. I'm a little bit worried, simply because there was a little bit of confusion on the size of the bracelet. So hopefully it is a 7.9. Here's to hoping. Because any smaller, I would have to use links. And I didn't quite want to use links on the freshwater cultured pearl bracelet. Again, I did get the box. Now these boxes from Pandora, you do have to be careful. I try not to get these boxes if I do make a purchase at Pandora, because the first link bracelet that I did buy, I was excited and I went to show a friend, and as soon as I grabbed the box, the inside fell out and the bracelet fell on the pavement. So do be careful with these, because some of them are firm, like this one. This one's pretty firm. It doesn't fall out unless I shake it. So that's good. So again, just be careful. It's so cute. The box is clean. So I got a good feeling. Usually when everything is clean, the purchase is going to be nice. You know what I mean? So I'm expecting not a lot of scratches or scuffing. I don't think I'm going to see that. So let's put that lid aside. That's so cute. I love that. I love this little paper. Now this isn't the baggie that this originally came in. So ignore the numbers, because that's something else. Okay, so in here we do have, let's undo this. The only thing with saran wrap is unwrapping it. There we go. I got it. Now here is the clear pave styling link. Ooh, it's much cuter than I thought. Now this was not a piece I was thinking of getting for the freshwater pearl bracelet. This will look fantastic on one of my other ME bracelets. It's super cute, and I was actually thinking of buying the earrings that match this. So again, these are styling links. These do not open up. These are to be inserted into the openable links that are on the bracelet. I like it. And it's hard to see. but it does say S925 ALE. So we do have 2 rows of CZs, and it's separated by a raised line. All right, so now let's move on to the bracelet. So let's just chop this. I have to open enough Ziplocs that sometimes I just cut them off. It's so much easier. And again, these little tiny things, keep them, put them in your jewelry box, put them in the poly bag, just keep them, do not throw them away. All right. I really don't want to be disappointed, and I hope it's 7.9. So let's have a look. A little bit past 7.5. Okay, that's a good sign. So, thank you for the seller to have made a little piece here to unroll it. So let's do this. Oh, doesn't roll that way. Okay. Aha. Oh, seller's a little smarty pants. I like that. Do have to be careful. And then we've got these beautiful freshwater cultured pearls. They are gorgeous. Now I did get this because this is, to me, this is basically showing a sweet and edgy side, or sweet and tough. Because as ladies and men, we are both. You know what I mean? We can be loving and sweet, but we can be tough and stand up for ourselves. So I absolutely love this bracelet. It really is. It's perfection on its own. And I love the fact that the pearls, they're kind of like little eggs. They're not perfectly round, they're more oval shaped, which is cool. I mean, I'm a perfectionist, and this is going to get some take some getting used to because they are all uniquely shaped. So like the sales lady told me at Pandora, sometimes you just got to embrace the chaos, and I'm trying really hard to. It's not easy to do. So let's have a look with the what it looks like with the pave. So here is what it looks like with the pave. It looks cute. It just looks unbalanced. So I'm probably not gonna buy the necklace. I think I'm just gonna keep the bracelet because I think the bracelet would look really good stacked with other pieces. So I'm just going to take this off. I'm going to flip it this way and go from underneath. There I go. Oh, yeah, I need to grow some nails. Yee. Yeah, so the struggle is real when you don't have, when you keep your nails very short. There we go. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let's see. It's not something I wanted to show on camera, but there we go. And then, oops, put it in the wrong way. There you go. And you should just, there we go. Put that in there. Come on. So again, I'm going to keep it simple. And I do have the little pearl happy face that I will put on here. But again, you will see all of this stuff when I do my overview of my Pandora ME collection. So ladies and gents, stay tuned as another video is coming, and it's going to be all about the Pandora ME.